12, 2, 24. We have a Dyson conversion adapter. And you can use a Dewalt battery instead of a $100 Dyson original battery. This thing needs 21.6 volts. This is working in a 20 volt range. So pretty much they have little tiny battery packs in here, like your little AA's, and they're just packed in there. And then they just have different head adapters. So to get this unit on, just use a little screwdriver, take it off here, here, and then one over here. Pretty much you just take out the adapter. There's going to be one there, and one there. And then afterwards, you can put this adapter on like how I did. And it'll just fit just like that. Click. Alright, so I'm going to put the phone down and start a new video once I get all the screws in.